Hello, welcome to Ellen Global Channel. It's been a while, but we're actually doing business. Today, I'll be introducing you to one guy, very nice guy, who I'm bringing him on board because he spoke with the IT students during the introduction to the Sachet machine as an operator, and he did well. So I felt I should bring him to the channel for those who are really beginners and really want to know the theoretical aspect of this machine. Engineer Michael is not here today, but he will anchor the front view of the machine. So we'll meet him and he will proceed from there. Thank you so much.
Well, from just like I said, introduction to machine, and this is the theory aspect, and I'll also be demonstrating it on how you can go about with starting your production for your machine. So first thing first, first of all, before you start your work in for Sachet, you first of all on your machine from the main source of light, which is the power source. This is our own power switch here. You on it, you take it up, then this one is already on, so like this is off, you on the machine. And as you can see, the meters and the lights and everything is on. So it means there is light, there is electricity in the machine now. And these meters that we see here, this is for the vertical temperature, which is here, and this one is for the horizontal temperature, which is here. And as you can see, their numbers are not the same. These numbers you are seeing, they're not the same. But this is not the number you take note of for your machine. This number is what tells you that your machine is fully hot. And the only way you can know is through this place. This is the number here. This for the vertical is 135. So once your machine is 135, it's telling you that this vertical side has reached its maximum level of heat. And here, which is the horizontal, it's 129, which means this side for the cotton has reached its maximum level of heat. And the reason why their numbers are not the same is because their works are not the same. The vertical side has to be hotter than the horizontal because it's the one that seals the nylon. And this one is the horizontal is the one that cuts it down. And okay, so after this, after you've taken note of your temperature, the next thing is for you to start up your machine. If you have not fixed your roll, you fix it from the back. But if your roll is already fixed, or maybe you go to a place where the roll is already fixed, all you do is you on the machine. And as you can see, we have two switch over here. The two switch over here, and this switch, this green one here is for which is run. It means once you press it, the machine starts moving, the machine starts running. And here is for the stop. Once you press this place, the machine stops. And before you press this place, as your machine is closing and opening, you have to take note of it. You don't press here when the machine is closed. You press it as immediately it is opening. Immediately the machine is opening, that's when you press here, so that your nylon will not be gone to either the vertical or the horizontal sides of the machine to avoid burning of the nylon. So you take note of it. Immediately it is opening, that's when you press it, so that the machine will be open on both sides, both the horizontal and the vertical. Then you take off your nylon from inside here to avoid the heat burning the nylon. And we can see three lights here. This first big one is the power switch, which is the switch of the whole machine itself, both the front and the back. And here is the heater. This place, as this place is on, It's what is making the vertical and horizontal parts of the machine to be hot because it is on. And this one is the sterilizer. There is a sterilizer at the back. There is one for water and there is also another one for the roll. And that one stays at the back. So as it is on like this, it means the sterilizer bulb is on. If you put it off, the bulb will be turned off. And it will not be good for you because you need the sterilizer to help you sterilize your roll. And this heater, if it is turned off, even if you on, you can see the lights are off. So even if this machine is on from now till however you want to leave it, the machine will not get hot because the heater is off. So once you put on your machine, you have to make sure, you have to take note that this place are on. You must make sure that your heater is on, and this time it does not just, it does not put, you don't, once you put on your machine, it does not just give you this number that you leave it. It starts from a lower number and it will be counting, it will be counting, it will be counting until it gets to that point. So now after all that, if you want to start up your production, you need water, which is the main thing you are producing, which is water. So here is my water switch and here is my sterilizer switch. So you put on the sterilizer, which is most important, very, very important for your water. You first of all switch it on, then you switch on the water switch as well. You take it up and the water will pass through. There's a machine, the tank and everything at the back. It will pass through from there, the machine will help you draw the water into these pipes. And as it follows, it goes through the filters and also the sterilizer, which is this sterilizer. This one is for water. There's another one at the back of the machine for roll. This one is for your water. It also has sterilizer lights inside. So now you can, this is your indicator. This is your indicator. As it's showing green, it means the sterilizer bulb is working. If it shows, you can see work and alarm. If it shows you alarm, it means the bulb is either not working or it's having an issue. So once you see this alarm on, this alarm is mostly red. So once you see it on, you have to switch off everything you're doing to check it, or you call your engineer to check it. So as it is on like this, it is on work. It means the light is on. So you put on your water and then you can commence with your production. As the water is passing through all those places, it goes from the back to the inside to the filters and the sterilizer, then into the machine. And as the water comes into the machine, your machine is already hot and already set for production. So all you need to do is to on this your run. You on this your run to start the production. And as you on it, then you first of all on the water, then as it is coming, you press your run, then you put the nylon into the horizontal side, which is the cutting side.
Okay, thank you so much. Updates, I call him Updates. That is his name. Sit tight because in our subsequent videos we'll bring the part 2 of this time of this video. You can see he has not actually gone into introducing you to the front view, but he will do that in the next video. Thank you so much and see you in our next video. God bless you.